Hello students, welcome back to Hit Bullseye YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we'll talk about MHCET exam. As the exam date of MHCET is released, so we will today talk about all about MHCET, the colleges and everything that you should know. So MHCET exam is state level exam for admission to MBA, MMS programs, and also this exam open your door for many esteemed universities like JBIMS. And let me tell you, JBIMS की fees is approx 3 lakh rupees. Last year academic year में it was 3 lakh rupees and it may be shift 3 lakh rupees से ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है. It is not sure, but the average package goes up to 28 lakh rupees. So it is a very nice opportunity for you guys. Also other universities like PUMBA, KJ Somaiya and other colleges include in this exam. So next we'll talk about is the exam date. As we all know that exam date is already out and exam is on 23rd March to 24th March. Now we'll talk about the exam pattern. कि pattern कैसा आता है. First, exam pattern is divided into 4 sections. MHCET exam, your reasoning should be strong because it contains 75 plus 25 marks in reasoning only. 75 marks in logical reasoning and 20 plus 25 marks in abstract reasoning, that is non-verbal reasoning. If I'll talk about the topics included in the logical reasoning, that is analyzing arguments and coding, decoding, etc. And in abstract reasoning, we'll get the paper, images, dice, these type of questions are included. So main focus in MHCET exam is more on reasoning part because यहीं से आप score करोगे ज़्यादा. And quant की weightage is 50 and VARC also 50. So total this exam is of 200 marks. So this was all about the exam pattern. Now what points you should note in MHCET exam. So each question contain 1 marks and there is no negative marking. So this paper is blessing for the students who are afraid of negative marking. So this exam has no negative marking and the duration for exam is 150 minutes. Okay, now we'll talk about the section wise syllabus कि section wise topics क्या क्या रहते हैं. So अगर मैं बात करूं that VARC में topics क्या रहते हैं, तो topics if you can see काफी similar हैं CAT से. If you can see reading comprehension, sentence completion काफी similar है CAT exam से, but बहुत easy आता है as compared to CAT. So इसीलिए student choose भी करते हैं MHCET देना. Now if I talk about the quant syllabus, तो जो topic quant में रहते हैं that is also very similar. That ratio है, percentage है and time distance, ये सब मतलब CAT syllabus के अंदर सब cover होता है. CAT topics similar ही होते हैं, but again it is not that difficult as CAT. And now we'll talk about the main focus, that is our reasoning part in this exam. So as we all know, ये सबसे ज़्यादा weightage इस part में से आती है. सबसे ज़्यादा question यहाँ से frame होते हैं. इस exam में दो, as we know that 2 parts में reasoning हम लोग divide करते हैं, logical and abstract. Abstract reasoning is non-verbal reasoning and इसमें हमारे question Venn diagram and coding इन सब से आते हैं. And logical reasoning में हम लोग के question जो आते हैं वो एनालाइजिंग आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और इससे ज़्यादा आते हैं जो वर्बल पार्ट होता है हमारा. सो दीज आर द टॉपिक्स. ठीक है, ये टॉपिक्स हैं हमारे रीजनिंग के. द डायरेक्शन एंड कोडिंग, वेन डायग्राम, कंडीशंस कोड आर द टॉपिक्स. एंड आपका मेन फोकस आपको ये सेक्शन आपको स्कोर कराएगा. So your reasoning should be strong for MHCET. I think we are clear about the sections and the topics जो exam में आने वाले हैं. So there are many colleges जो MHCET exam accept करते हैं, Maharashtra colleges only. And the main esteemed college is JBIMS. So this college is the main focus here. And बाकी भी इससे अलग भी काफ़ी ऐसे colleges हैं जो MHCET accept करते हैं. You can do your own research and you'll came to know about the other colleges also. Next, the main why you should give MHCET exam. So as we have discussed before that this exam is mainly student opt this exam to get into JBIMS because it's a very esteemed university एंड वहाँ पे मोस्टली बच्चे इसको जाने के लिए ये एग्जाम देते हैं. Second, if I'll talk about CAT, then CAT don't have any specific syllabus. Uska syllabus for student teachers, they analyze their previous year pattern and accordingly they prepare. But you have advantage in this exam because MHCET exam have only specific syllabus and आपको उतना ही cover करना है. So this is very positive point for you. The defined syllabus we have for MHCET make this exam easier. So that's why as compared to CAT exam, it is much more easier. So you should go for this exam. Second, ये बहुत सारे B schools के लिए आपके गेट खोल देता है. Only for Maharashtra, but because MHCET. So there is no negative marking as we discussed previously that यहाँ पे negative marking नहीं होती है. So जिन बच्चों को negative marking से डर लगता है वो please इस exam को दे सकते हैं. इसमें कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होती है. एज वी डिस्कस सिलेबस का पैटर्न सेट है, सो इट इज मच इजियर. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कि यहाँ पे किसी लाइक टाइम लिमिट नहीं है. द सेक्शनल टाइम लिमिट इज नॉट देयर, सो यू कैन नेविगेट बिटवीन द सेक्शंस. यू कैन अटेम्प्ट विच सेक्शन यू वांट टू अटेम्प्ट विच इज इजियर फॉर यू. सो आप उस चीज के बीच में सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. सो दैट्स व्हाई like candidate can attempt test according to their choice. So it's all about MHCET. एंड फॉर द टॉपिक सिलेबस स्पेसिफिक जो है आप पीछे स्लाइड्स में जाके स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. बूस्ट अप योर प्रिपरेशन आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं विद आवर एक्सक्लूसिव MHCET प्रेप कोर्स जिसमें वी आर गिविंग यू लाइव क्लासेस, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट, topic wise test and also ebooks for study material and all. So for further details and for enrollment you can scan this code. Also, as we know the exam is very near, so we are providing you this course in a very less amount. So come scan this and boost up your preparation. So that's all about the MHCET exam, and if you have any doubt you can let us know in the comment below. Thank you so much.